When you hear the question, is the water glass half full or half empty, it's obviously a question of whether you're an optimist or a pessimist. But when I think of that question, I think about action, because action is what determines whether you're an optimist or a pessimist. It's quite simple. If you're taking action towards the things you want to do, towards the things that you are passionate about, you are going to be optimistic. You are going to be more positive. You are going to see the momentum and build on it. But if you are taking action that contradicts with the dream that you're thinking about, your ideal lifestyle, then you're not going to be that happy. So really, it does boil down to action and taking the right action that is going to lead you to where you want to be. So instead of thinking about a hypothetical, is it half full or half empty, think about what do I have to do? What actions do I have to take so that I feel like the glass is entirely full versus not taking the right actions, not pursuing the right goals, and feeling like you have an empty glass. I don't feel like we're in the middle. I don't feel like people think, it's half pessimism, half optimism. It's like you're either fully an optimist or you're fully a pessimist. I don't think there's anything like half full or half empty. It just boils down to, are you taking the right actions that are leading you to your goals? If yes, I'm sure you see it as optimism. I'm sure you're overall positive. But if you're not taking the right actions and you wonder why there's this big gap between where you are and the goal that you're going after, it just boils down to you having to figure out what actions you have to take and taking those actions to live your lifestyle and embrace where you are going.